Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to download Google extension and see your extension on Chrome. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to Chrome. Click on 3-point on the top right corner. Choose extension. Manage extension. On this page you can see your downloaded extensions. You can check extensions details. Or you can remove it. Before the video continues, subscribe for more useful content on my channel. You can use for your mobile or computer. Let's go to the continuation of the video. For downloading these extensions, again click on 3-point extension, click on Chrome Web Store. And now there are a lot of extensions here to make your work easier and use it. Choose the extensions you want to use. Click on Add to Chrome. Add extensions. And then you can sign up. Also click on this icon, you can see your extensions. Another way to download extensions, search Chrome extensions. Click on first link and then you can search and you can see grouping of extensions here. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.